So that's me going from Dundee to Edinburgh. Let's just come up the lift here, which is really handy so I can avoid all this traffic and just go straight across. And I'm hoping that's something similar to the next bridge coming into Edinburgh. The strong wind against me and the massive hills of the first part of the tour took its toll on my legs, so I had to start looking for accommodation instead of going to Edinburgh. Plan was a little bit buggered up. The wind and stuff was intense. Wind was pretty bad today, right against me for most of the directions, so in turn my legs got knackered and it was quite hilly as well. So I didn't reach Edinburgh, but I will tomorrow. But no, it's absolutely buggered, so I've just had to stay at the Premier Inn for a night. The next video will be me heading into Edinburgh. Feel free to like and subscribe if you wish to continue following my tour.